Hello everyone, welcome back to AMC. Today I am going to show you how to make oats and carrot idli. Let's start. To make oats and carrot idli, first we have to roast the ingredients. For that I am using 24 centimeters hot pan. Switch off the flame. On the high flame I am going to preheat the hot pan. Setting the audio tone to roasting window. It has reached roasting window. I'm adding little bit of oil, jeera, mustard seeds, urad dal, green chilies, I'm going to add curry leaves. I'm adding suji rava, 1/4 cup of rava. You have to roast it until the raw smell is gone. Into this, I'm adding powdered rolled oats. One large grated carrot, everything is roasted well. We have to wait until it gets cooled down. Then we will prepare the batter. It's completely cool now. I'm adding water. Salt according to taste. Batter is ready. I'm going to let it rest for 20 minutes. It has been 20 minutes. Our idli batter is ready. You can adjust the consistency now. If you want, you can add a little bit of water. Grease little oil. To steam idli, I am using 24 centimeters high. First, I am adding half cup of water. Switch on the flame and heat until roasting window. Touch this roasting window. I am switching off the audio tone. Switch the flame to low. I'm placing in the idli stand. Now we have to remove this. Now I'm going to use 2024 easy quick lid. I'm setting the audio tone to steaming window for 10 minutes. Steaming time is completed. I'm switching off the flame. Now I'm demolding the idlis. Idlis are ready. You can serve it with chutney.